Everyone and welcome. And in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer money internationally through the RBC mobile app. Transferring money internationally through the RBC mobile app can be done, but it's important to understand the process and any associated fees. Here's the general guide based on available information. First, you need to open and sign into your RBC mobile app. Next, you need to navigate to the international transfers section. Look for options like send money or move money. Then, select international money transfer. Next, you have to enter recipient information. You need to provide details about the recipient, which may include the recipient's name and address, recipient's bank account number, and the destination bank's name and location, SWIFT or BIC code or other relevant routing information. Next, you have to specify the amount you want to transfer. Then choose the currency. Carefully review all the information you've entered and confirm the transfer. Now, here are some important considerations. 1. Fees. RBC charges fees for international money transfers, so be sure to check the current fee schedule on the RBC website or within the app. Limits. There may be limits on the amount you can transfer through the app. For larger amounts, you might need to consider a wire transfer. Required information. Having all the necessary recipient information is crucial for a smooth transfer. Exchange rates. Pay close attention to the exchange rates being used for the transaction. Now, if you need a place to find detailed information, just visit the RBC website, which is rbcroyalbank.com, which is the best source also for up-to-date information on international money transfers. You can find detailed instructions and fee schedules there. You can also check out the RBC mobile app itself, which will guide you through the process. Always confirm the latest procedures and fees directly with RBC through their official channels. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.